U.S. Representative Seth Moulton's sharp words against President Donald Trump have sent shockwaves through the political landscape, labeling him a coward and Putin's puppet, following a tense meeting with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelenskyy. Moulton's remarks highlight the growing frustration within Washington regarding the current administration's approach to foreign policy amid the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. He emphasized that while Zelenskyy stands as a beacon of bravery and resilience, the actions of Trump and Vice President Vance reflect a troubling capitulation to foreign pressures. This confrontation raises critical questions about the future of U.S. Ukraine relations and the strategies employed to counter Russian aggression. As political tensions escalate, the implications of Moulton's words may galvanize support for a more robust U.S. response to the crisis in Ukraine.